we're gonna remove the bottom bracket for the SF-B901. Just for the sake of time, we already removed the chain cover. It's a total of about 8 screws located on top, underneath, and here up front. So the first thing you need to do is remove the crank. First thing, you have to remove the flange nut located inside the crank arm. You get a crank puller. You get the silver end, and just move it counterclockwise until it comes off. It's already off here, located. Now you'll get the black end of the crank puller. And you just wanted to catch the threads. You want to do it as much as you can by hand. And then use the handle to help you with the rest. And when that's tight, you'll get the silver end and just tighten that as much as possible. And you can see once it pushes it, it will push an entire crank arm with the chain wheel off. And once you have that off, everything comes off all at once. To remove the bottom bracket, there's a jump ring located on this end and on each side, and that keeps the bottom bracket from shifting side to side. So what you're gonna do, if you don't have jump ring pliers, you can always get a regular flathead screwdriver and get that off as well. You literally just squeeze it off. Take off the washers as well. And you could literally push it off. You get a screwdriver. And it will literally just come right off. Pause it.